So I recently got this message from one of my viewers, and the question goes thus simply: please, I need some guidance. I want to move to a senior DevOps position. Can you help me with preparation and also upskilling? If you're watching this and you've ever thought about this question or the same thing or in those lines of getting promotion or getting higher in your career line, this video is for you. Through this is one of the most common questions I get on this channel on my various social media platforms. And the truth is, moving from mid-level to senior, or from junior to mid-level, or from senior to manager role to staff to principal, whatever the level cadre is in your organization, it's not just about stacking tools, or certifications. It's simply about shifting your focus in how you think and how you lead. So let's break this down. The first advice I'll generally give to anyone is that you need to go beyond the tools. You know all your tools, we know that. You know how to use Docker, how to use Kubernetes, how to use Terraform, Pulumi, AWS CloudFormation, whatever tool you're using. You know that. That is mid-level. For a senior, you know exactly when to use that tool, why to use it, and when not to use it. You think mostly in terms of trade-offs, the business value these tools offer, and the long-term maintainability, more strategic thinking. Tools will not make you a senior engineer. Decisions will make you a senior engineer. The second point I want you to think about is the architecture and scale. When you're thinking about solutions, senior engineers, they think in systems. They think of high availability. They think of multi-region, active deployment, cost optimization, compliance, and things like that. You, as a DevOps engineer, if you're thinking of that, should be able to sketch a clean architecture that can serve from 1 user to 10 users to 100 users to 10 million users. So at a senior level, essentially, you stop being the person who just builds a pipeline, who just writes the infrastructure code. You become the person that designs the platform. And when you're upskilling, which is my third point, you're upskilling with intent. Why are you upskilling? Why? What is the focus of your upskilling? You are no longer chasing random certifications. You're no longer chasing random exams or random tutorials online. You pick the projects that stretch you beyond your current comfort limit. Example, if you currently have a monolith in your organization, you're looking for videos or tutorials or blog posts or guidance or docs on how to migrate a monolith service to a microservice architecture. Implement GitHub with things like Argo CD, build a self-healing monitored environment from dev to production. And you showcase this on the various platforms you belong to, portfolio, blog posts, videos, whatever platform you're on, maybe a tweet even. Your projects, and this applies even to junior engineers or entry-level people, your project proves your level of thinking even before your CV does. I've not had to update my CV in over 2 years now. Why? Because I got proof of what I'm doing. Let's say, for example, I'm looking for a new job tomorrow. Of course, I'll update my CV, but I rarely look at my CV except when I'm thinking of a new role or I get new opportunities. I do not do that. Why? Because my profile speaks for me. What I'm doing online speaks for me. And to become a senior, you are no longer working only for yourself. You're thinking of mentorship and influence, which brings me to my fourth point. Seniors guide people. They don't just write a system. They don't just guide the systems on what they should do. They also guide people. They do code reviews, they share knowledge, and they lead design discussions. You influence with authority. You influence with authority. You might not be a manager. You don't even have to be a manager to be a senior engineer, but you make influence. You become an authority in your field. It is a core skill you need to have. If nobody in your organization, nobody on your team, nobody anywhere is learning from you, I'm sorry to say this, but you're not a senior. It's the simple truth. And you need to think about how to change that so that someone at least is learning from you. And to sort of cap it all up for you, transitioning to a senior in your role or to any role, whatever cadre you're on, goes beyond the tools. It's a mindset shift. It goes beyond the tools. It is architecture at scale, intentional projects, mentorship. 4, So, what is my advice to you today? Which one do you think you need to work on right now to help you scale that ladder to get to that next role you're looking for? And don't forget, I share more practical DevOps content here frequently. I don't want to say every week because I've not been religious about it, because of course, you know the world of DevOps, it is busy. So I make videos as soon as I can, publish them as soon as I can. There's no schedule yet. I'm trying in the new year, if you're watching this in 2026, to sort of have a proper schedule to uploading content, but I promise you I'll make videos whenever I can, when time permits me to do so. So remember to subscribe, follow, share, comment. What are the questions you have? And if you have any questions, of course, you know what to do. Drop them in the comments or scan the QR code showing somewhere in this whole screen space that you have right now. I'll be seeing you again in the video. I hope I answered the question.